Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Android apps automatically closing. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you clear the cache on that app. So in your setting, just go to apps and then find the app that is maybe automatically closing for you. For example, if I had an app, let's go ahead and pick an app that's closing on me. Maybe we'll pick this one as example, right? Whatever app it is, you're just going to go to the storage and then click on clear cache. And you're going to want to do it for each app that you're having issues with. So you're going to go through each app on your list. So if you're having issues with this one, for example, right, you would click on storage and then clear cache. So keep on doing that. Now, another one that you may want to go ahead and do is if your Android phone has what's known as Android System Web View, you want to look for that app here. I don't have it on this one. You need to update that app. So go to the Play Store and then search for Android System Web View. If you have it installed, it will show up and you can go ahead and click on to update. And along with that, you want to update any apps that you're closing on you. So if, for example, if you have maybe Facebook and it keeps on closing on you automatically, you're going to check if there's an update. If there is, you're going to click on the word update. Here, for example, I'll look at another one as an example. So let's search up another app, right? Let's say WhatsApp, for example. If it's closing on me, I'll check and I see there's an update. I'll click on update as well. So you're going to go update each of the app that you're having issues along with clearing the cache as well. And then also updating your Android System Web View. Now, along with that is after you have done updates, it's going to be going to head and making sure that your phone has enough storage. So in your setting this time, we're going to go to basically device care and take a look at storage. You want to make sure you have at least 5 to 10 gigs available. See here, I'm using 24% of the storage. So if you're maxed out in your storage, it's good to just clear by deleting some stuff like your files, maybe some apps, some videos, because some apps require a specific amount of storage before it can actually operate correctly. Now, let's go ahead and check other things. Another thing you want to consider is if you recently downloaded any apps that may be malicious or maybe bad apps, you need to delete them. So if you're seeing an app that you don't recognize that you install, you want to press on hold and then just go ahead and uninstall those apps that you don't recognize. Sometimes those app could have some issues with it itself and then need to be basically deleted from your phone so that the other apps are not impacted as well. Now, if you have done that, the next thing you're going to do is if you're still having issues is go to your setting. And this time we're going to go back to your apps and then click on the 3 dots here. And then you're going to do a reset app preferences. This will basically reset your app preferences, which will reset disable apps, any restrictions that's causing it and any issues. It will not delete any of your data. So all your photos, videos, apps still will be found, but you want to go ahead and reset that as well. Now, after you have done that reset and still having issues, you're going to go ahead and just restart your phone. From the top here, you can pull down, restart here, or using your volume down and the side button as well, you can go ahead and restart as well. Now, once you have restarted and you're back on the phone, final thing to do is just making sure you update your Android software. So in your setting, just go down all the way to the software update and then check for update. And if you see an update, go ahead and update it here as well. And after doing that, hopefully your app no longer closes automatically. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.